Looking to elevate your living room style and viewing experience? The best TV mount for stone fireplace offers both durability and flexibility, allowing you to securely install your TV on uneven surfaces while ensuring optimal angles for cozy, stress-free watching. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ECHOGEAR TV Wall Mount. The ECHOGEAR TV wall mount is a standout choice for anyone looking to mount a television above a stone fireplace. Its max motion full motion design makes it incredibly versatile, offering extension up to 22 inches from the wall and a generous 130-degree swivel to optimize your viewing angle no matter where you're seated. The durable steel construction supports TVs up to 90 inches or 125 pounds, so it's more than capable of handling large displays from top brands like LG, Samsung, Vizio, and Sony. This mount is VESA compatible with nearly all patterns, eliminating any guesswork about whether it will fit your TV. What makes this mount particularly appealing for stone fireplace installations is its intuitive setup. The included hardware kit and drilling templates simplify what can otherwise be a tricky installation on uneven masonry surfaces. Even better, the design allows the TV to sit just 2.4 inches from the wall when retracted, keeping your setup looking clean and elegant. There is also an easy post-install leveling feature, which is a major bonus when dealing with irregular stone textures that can skew alignment. ECHOGEAR goes a step further by offering helpful extras like cable management and a customer support team that's available every day of the week. The cherry on top? For every mount sold, the company plants a tree. So you're not just enhancing your living room, you're also contributing to the environment. If you're mounting a TV on a stone fireplace and want something reliable, adjustable, and built to last, the ECHOGEAR TV wall mount is hard to beat. Number 2. Mantel mount TV wall mount. The Mantel Mount MM340 is purpose-built for the unique demands of mounting a television above a fireplace, particularly one constructed of stone. With an impressive 27 inches of vertical travel and 19 inches of extension from the wall, this mount lets you pull your TV down to a comfortable eye level for viewing, then easily return it to a stylish elevated position when not in use. This pull-down action is especially valuable for stone fireplaces where height and viewing angles can be tricky. The MM340 is compatible with TVs ranging from 44 inches to 80 inches and up to 90 pounds, with support for VESA patterns up to 600 by 600 millimeters. It includes pull-down handles, adjustable stops, and an intuitive cable management system. Patented features like TV auto straightening and gas piston stabilization make it smooth and safe to use even when handling heavier TVs. Plus, it supports stud spacing up to 24 inches, offering flexibility during installation, which is especially important when anchoring into stone or brick. One of the most useful traits for stone fireplace setups is the mount's ability to clear mantles up to 18 inches deep. Its thoughtful engineering ensures that the screen doesn't just look great, but it's also positioned safely and functionally. UL listing and a limited lifetime warranty offer peace of mind for long-term use. Number 3. Mantel Mount MM540 TV Wall Mount. The Mantel Mount MM540 offers a refined solution for mounting TVs above stone fireplaces, delivering both visual elegance and mechanical precision. Designed for full range motion and enhanced flexibility, this mount offers 27 inches of vertical travel, 19 inches of wall extension, and up to 60 degrees of side-to-side swivel, making it easy to find the perfect viewing angle regardless of your room layout. Whether your stone fireplace mantle is high or uneven, this mount adapts beautifully to complex conditions. It's compatible with TV sizes ranging from 44 to 80 inches and can handle weights between 20 and 90 pounds. The MM540 boasts smart enhancements like heat sensor handles, soundbar attachment capabilities, and a premium cable management system. Patented features such as gas piston auto stabilization and TV auto straightening ensure the unit operates smoothly and safely every time. With support for VESA patterns up to 600 by 600 millimeters and studs spaced up to 24 inches apart, it offers the adaptability needed for stone wall applications. Additional features include paintable wall covers and adjustable stops to fine-tune the mount's range of motion. These small but significant details make it easier to blend them out into your living room decor while maximizing functionality. Installation documentation is clear and comprehensive, which is essential when drilling into masonry or uneven rock. Number 4. ECHOGEAR tilt range wall mount. If you prefer a simpler setup without full motion arms, but still want flexibility and elegance for mounting a TV above your stone fireplace, the ECHOGEAR tilt range wall mount is a fantastic option. Designed to support TVs up to 90 inches, this mount provides up to 12 degrees of tilt to reduce screen glare, an especially useful feature when your fireplace's elevation causes unwanted light reflection. The tilt range helps bring your screen closer to the ideal viewing angle, even when mounted higher than eye level. It also includes a slight swivel range, up to 10 degrees left or right, making it more versatile than your average tilt mount. This adjustability is great for stone fireplace installations where placement might not be perfectly centered. The mount can extend slightly to offer easier cable access and post-install leveling, which is essential when dealing with irregular or uneven stone surfaces. ECHOGEAR includes a premium hardware kit with multiple spacers and screws to accommodate virtually any brand of TV, including LG, Samsung, Vizio, and TCL. The silver gunmetal finish adds a stylish touch to the back of your display, an often overlooked area that still deserves attention. A 3-step installation process and a wall drilling template make setup a manageable DIY project even when working with masonry. Features like horizontal shift and post-install leveling let you adjust the mount to get a perfect finish without re-drilling into stone. Overall, this ECHOGEAR mount offers just the right balance of tilt, accessibility, and simplicity, ideal for those who want a less obtrusive but highly functional mount for a stone fireplace setup.
Number 5. Mount-It Motorized Fireplace TV Wall Mount. The Mount-It Motorized Fireplace TV mount is the epitome of luxury and convenience, combining modern aesthetics with smart engineering, perfect for mounting your TV over a stone fireplace. With the touch of a button, this mount gently lowers and raises your television using a whisper-quiet motor, eliminating the physical strain and awkward angles that can come with traditional mounts. It's ideal for those who want the ease of automation, especially when the mount is installed in hard-to-reach spots above rugged masonry. The motorized mechanism supports TVs up to 77 pounds, tested up to 154 pounds, and is compatible with VISA patterns from 200 by 100 millimeters to 600 by 400 millimeters, accommodating screen sizes between 32 inches and 65 inches. This flexibility allows you to upgrade your TV without needing to swap out the mount. It offers 101 degrees of pull angle and 21.3 inches of height adjustment, along with up to 25 degrees of manual swivel for a completely tailored viewing experience. This Mount-It solution is perfect for users who prioritize both form and function. With its sleek black finish, integrated cable management, and full motion flexibility, it enhances your room's aesthetic while adding convenience to your daily routine. For anyone looking to modernize their stone fireplace area with cutting-edge functionality, this motorized TV mount delivers a truly impressive experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.